So my research involves human-robot interaction, engineering education, mobile robotics education, and open source robotics. This is one of my open source robots. The goal of my research is to democratize STEM, science, technology, engineering, and math by making robotics and STEM education more accessible to all communities. Research has shown that women, girls, Black and brown kids, and adults are the least represented in STEM. It's extremely important that we are in those spaces because as solutions are designed for our communities, when we are not in the room, that's when we get bias in products, bias in software, etc. So, in order to make the face of engineering look like the face of the world, I use robotics education to do that. Part of my work in democratizing STEM is making open source 3D printed low cost modular robotics education platforms. This means robotics does not have to be expensive, and by making accessible and open, I am able to take my robots into communities such as museums, elementary schools, libraries, and the motto of my company, Noir STEMness, is my STEM is for the streets. So that's what I do is I take my robots into the streets. So I do workshops for kids, K through 12 teachers, college students, engineering professors, makers. I just go wherever the people are and I use these robots and I teach them how to build a robot, what a robot is, how to program a robot, and then how to take them back into their community to teach kiddos about it as well. So the great thing about this work is that anybody can do it because I supply all of the materials they need right there online through YouTube videos, through social media posts, etc. And so by doing this work, I am able to bring my STEM to the streets.